kettle's boiling. Can you hear it?
I'm not deaf, Avril.
Well, you're not that deaf.
No, I'm not. I can hear it. Everybody will hear it.
Huh?
Nothing, I don't know. I don't hear it outside or no.
No, they won't. It's none of their business. Come on, kiss them. You can hear it how? Walls, front doors closed. Or walls, they can't hear it. Where's your mug? Over here? No, I don't have anything.
No, just in case one of mine...
No, I don't have anything.
All right, that's all I asked. I don't need a yelling man.
Yeah, I don't like to be accused of stealing.
I'm not accusing.
Just accused.
I've got to phone...
I don't care! I said, I don't care, don't yell at me.
Well,
you lied earlier that other people could hear the kettle outside my apartment. Both sides, upstairs, downstairs. They could hear you screaming and yelling.
You did it first.
Liar.
Hear yourself.
Did you hear yourself?
Yeah, I copied you.
No, you never. Can I finish enjoying my lunch now? Mother? Hello? Don't ignore me. I know you were yelling earlier. Can I finish my lunch now?
I never stopped you.
Yeah, you did. You yelled at me and gave me a headache. Yeah, you did. And don't you start yelling and arguing with me again. All right? This is not the time, and this is definitely not the place where you're carrying on. You've done it too many times. Too many other places. It's not good.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it's not good. So why admit it? Any more than you already have. Please stop. It's not me that did it. It's you. Oh, really? I know.